Alright, so see, it's cleaned up a bit. Cleaned up a bit. Cleaned up a bit. Now, this one I'm gonna whack some copper wire in there like that. Bang. Yeah. And then on the other side, and then I'll plug it in to make a nice tight fit. Yeah. Like that. Bang. And then the lights will work. Like that. Bang. So it looks like that when I'm done. Boom. Extra grip on the plug. Be careful when you do this. Obviously, you want to make sure that the ignition is off because you don't want to pop fuses. And if you make that little thing that I done cross wires and touch other wires, you're going to end up blowing fuses, which will be annoying. Alright, let's test it now. Alright. Let's see. That one didn't work. Let's see. See the bulb? So no more flickering lights. Now the correct repair would be to replace those connectors. I think the bulb holders would survive this round, but some vehicles might need new bulb holders as well. But this is just like a cheap, quick repair on a little runner car, man. Right. I'll tell him what I've done, show him the video. If he wants to get it done properly, just quote him for it, you know what I mean?